All right, what's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at some new stuff when it comes to how to make your hair system just a little bit less perceptible. Now, this is something I have never seen anybody inside of the hair system community talk about, so this is going to be some, I think, groundbreaking stuff. Now, I have not actually tried this myself, but I've just discovered it and I was really excited by the concept that this brings to the table, and I had to share it with you basically as soon as I found it because I think it's pretty amazing and you need to know about it if you're using a hair system. So we're gonna jump right into the content, shall we? So I follow all sorts of people in my pursuit of just hair system greatness, and one of the people that I follow is Fabricating Fringe on Instagram. This is her channel right here, so you guys can see it, and she is someone that has androgenic alopecia. She's a mom and she mostly just wears wigs, and she's got, you know, a following and she kills it. She's super cool and inspiring. So you should definitely give her a follow if you have not ever before. But she posted something today that I thought was super fascinating. So we're gonna take a look at this. Let me get my big melon out of the way for you guys. Okay. So this right here is showing a before and after of using a specific product, something that I've never heard anybody talk about inside of the hair system space. And that product is wig wax. Now, this product right here is not something that I've tried before, but I do plan to actually buy this to test it out for you guys specifically. Now, this product, they say, is good for lace wigs, and you'll see why in a second. So we'll explain what it is, and then we'll watch a video and then talk about it a little bit more and show you some more of the results. So wig wax is basically something that you put on the bottom of a wig or a hair system. This is meant for lace wigs because of the method that you'll see in a little bit. So I don't think this will work for poly. I'll buy some and I'll see if there's any way I can use it, but I can't imagine theoretically that it does. But it's really important that you guys actually see this video right here that I'm about to play. And this is coming from a company called Thin Hair Thick, which is, I'm gonna buy some of their stuff after I make this video so we can test it out. But it's really curious, so check this out.
Here's a quick wig wax tutorial. Hey guys, we heard you loud and clear. You love your lace, but don't love those knots. Wig wax is here to help with that. So first, you will take your wig or topper, flip it inside out, apply the wax on the part line, take the brush on the other end, and in a stippling-like motion, push the wax in through the grid, and then you'll flip the wig or topper on the other side and just smooth out any wax that has gone through. This will really help to give it a scalp-like illusion.
So, I mean, that's what you do. That's like so stinking simple, and it looks like it's pretty effective. I mean, it looks really good in that video, and if we go back to the results that Fabricating Fringe had, yeah, check this out right here. So, like, this looks super good, right? I think that this is something that everybody should be doing if they're using lace. If it looks this good, there's no reason why anybody should not be doing this. So, I'm gonna see if I can pull up some more stuff here on Instagram and see if we can find some stuff. So let's do wig wax and see if there are more people that are showing what they do with their wig wax. Okay, so this was Fabricating Fringe's story. Yeah, interesting. Like I say, it looks like there's more medicinal uses for wig wax than there is other people talking about it, so that's interesting. Let's see what's going on right here. No, okay, so this right here is to keep flyaways together. I kind of want to actually try using that. You find everything on Instagram. It's crazy. Let's see what this is right here. Okay, so this girl doesn't really seem like she has to worry about it. I think like one of the luxuries of blonde hair is that the roots don't show as much as those that have longer hair. So yeah, guys, I mean, that's amazing though, although this photo is a little bit overexposed, so we'll take this with a grain of salt for the moment. But initially, it does seem to look like this is a significant improvement in the way that it hides the knots inside of lace. I think it'd be really interesting to talk with this woman right here, Fabricating Fringe, bring her on the channel and see what she has to say about all the stuff that we're doing. I'm probably gonna reach out actually. Anyways, guys, I'm always looking for content and things to help you and me look better, make it easier though too at the same exact time. So if you like content like this, make sure that you do smash that like button, pull the trigger on it, subscribe, comment down below if this is something that you're gonna try, and we'll talk soon.